Don't chew your food so you don't choke, okay? Can you pat your belly and your head? Can you do it at the same time with different hands? Like this? Can you do this? Well, not with the doll. I don't want you to hurt yourself.
That hurt me.
I don't want you to hurt yourself. Is that a skunk? Superhero? No, not in your mouth.
His back is beautiful.
Is his back beautiful? Because he has a white stripe?
He's a cat.
Does he look like a kitty?